Using galvanized unistrut with cadmium-plated clamps against aluminum pipe in a long multiple pipe run can present a corrosion problem. The combination of dissimilar metals, aluminum and galvanized steel, and the presence of moisture can create an electrolytic cell, leading to galvanic corrosion. Aluminum is a more active metal than galvanized steel, so it will act as the anode, the negative electrode, in the electrochemical cell. Galvanized steel is a less active metal, so it will act as the cathode, the positive electrode. Moisture provides a pathway for ions to flow between the anode and cathode. Aluminum atoms are oxidized at the anode, releasing electrons and forming aluminum ions, Al3+. These ions migrate through the moisture to the cathode, where they are reduced and deposited as aluminum oxide, Al2O.3. The electrons from the anode flow through the cadmium-plated clamps and galvanized steel strut to the cathode, completing the circuit. There are consequences of galvanic corrosion, including firstly, corrosion of the aluminum pipe, leading to pitting, weakening, and potential leaks. Secondly, hydrogen embrittlement of the aluminum pipe, making it brittle and susceptible to cracking. Thirdly, rust stains on the brick wall below the pipe run due to the corrosion of the galvanized steel strut. To prevent galvanic corrosion in this scenario, it is recommended to use the following mitigation measures. Firstly, use a dielectric barrier. Place a non-conductive material, such as a rubber or plastic gasket, between the aluminum pipe and the galvanized steel strut and clamps. Secondly, apply a cathodic protection system. Install a sacrificial anode made of a more active metal than aluminum, such as zinc, to protect the aluminum pipe. Thirdly, use stainless steel struts and clamps. Although more expensive, stainless steel is a corrosion-resistant material that will not react with aluminum. Additional considerations include ensuring proper drainage to minimize moisture accumulation and regularly inspecting and maintaining the pipe run to monitor for any signs of corrosion. If corrosion is detected, take immediate measures to address it and prevent further damage.